Man, I hate school so much. Me too. Let's take some fire alarm. Let's take some fire alarm. Good, then you push them.
What is that fire alarm? I'm going to hallway see who is pull fire alarm. Blue and Nigel, did you pull fire alarm? Tell me the truth.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did too.
Blue and Nigel, how dare you pull the fire alarms? You know we're in the class. That's it. Go to the principal office now.
Blue and Nigel, I heard about pull fire alarm. Both of you expelled for 3 weeks.
Blue and Nigel, how dare you to pull fire alarms the school? That's it, you're grounded until not expelled from school.
Go to your room now.